Hi guys, me again, Owen here. How's it? We're gonna make a nice warm drink with you for this cocktail that we're making here. And this cocktail is, we call it the GGG Tea, and the T is TEA for actual tea. This drink here is based on a punch, and the punch is basically a drink that originated in the early 1600s. It was made up of spirit of any kind, citrus of any kind, sugar of any kind, and in water, and usually spice. And the spice back then was quite, you couldn't find it all the time, so it might have been like tea, or it could have been nutmeg if you were really rich back then, and that was sort of the spice they used. But you can play around with those flavors. In this case, we're doing a hot one, so we need a teapot, and then in your box you would find the little chocolate and orange Rooibos tea bag. We're just going to put that in there and then fill that up with hot water. So that's step one that you're going to do with this cocktail here, just to get that tea brewed up. And we're going to put in 50 ml of gin. Now you don't have to go 50 ml, obviously just this is for me, but if you feel like you want to go less, you can go 25 ml. That's 100% fine. Cool, so that's the gin that we're putting in there. Then we're going to need some fresh lemon. I'm just going to cut it down here. And for this, we're just going to squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice. Nothing special, just half a lemon, squeeze that straight in there. That's about 15 ml of lemon juice. And you can set this aside and use it for something else later if you wanted to. You can grate it into some food or whatever. Okay, and then with that, we need to sweeten all this up. So in this case, we included some sugar syrup for you guys. To make sugar syrup is really simple at home. You really just need a cup of sugar, a cup of water. You put that on the stove top and you bring it to a boil while stirring that and letting all the sugar dissolve. And then once that's dissolved, you can cook it for like another 5 minutes or 10 minutes just to thicken it up a bit. The more you cook it, the stronger your sugar syrup will be. Very simple, but we've done it for you guys, so you don't have to worry about that. And then in here we can go 15 to 25 ml of sugar depending on yourself and your sweet tooth. If you have a sweet tooth, you can go more. If you like it a little bit less sweet, you can go less. And that's basically the base of our cocktail. So I'm just going to stir this up slightly just to get all those flavors mixed in there. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just take our chocolate and orange Rooibos tea and we're just going to top that up. And basically now you have a nice hot gin punch for those cold winter nights. Okay, cool guys, or you can use the leftover lemon as a garnish in here, or you can use the lovely dehydrated oranges and cinnamon that we put inside your box, and you can just pop that on for a nice fragrant aromatic on top. And there we have it, the GGG Tea. Enjoy.